Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. Before we get into the video, let's quickly recap the learnings from the last video. In the last video, we discussed why you should learn R, looked at the steps required to install R, RStudio and R tools, and also discussed a bunch of other topics that you see on your screen. Today's video assumes that you have R set up on your machine. So in case you do not have R installed, then I recommend looking at the previous video first. In this video, we will write our first line of code in R and set our feet on a journey that will be filled with tons of amazing concepts and projects. And then, we will learn ways to perform basic mathematical operations. As the title of this video says, these exercises do not require any previous programming experience. Hence, someone with elementary knowledge of computers and mathematics will be able to absorb today's content. With that said, let's head to RStudio and click on the console. I want to take a pause here and explain what the R console actually is. R console is an interactive environment built within RStudio, and what that means is that we can get instant feedback and output as soon as we pass a command. The R console also enables us to do some quick and dirty experimenting before documenting the code. R console also shows the real-time execution of R scripts and also displays the results from those scripts. But more on that in a separate video. The first line that we will write is the very famous command to print the phrase hello world. I want all of you to write along with me. Type print hello world enclosed between double inverted commas and round brackets and press enter. Remember that any text which includes words and sentences must be enclosed between inverted commas, whereas numbers that we intend to compute must be written without the inverted commas. As you see, R printed the output below the command. Congratulations, you just ran your first line of code in R. Before we get to the next exercise, I want to take a moment to describe the notations that are used in R for doing mathematical operations. The plus sign is used for addition, the minus sign is used for subtraction, the asterisk sign is used for multiplication, the forward slash is used for division, the caret sign is used for exponents. 2% signs put side by side is used to compute the remainder, and a forward slash between 2% signs is used to compute the quotient. Let's use each one of these. We will start with addition, so type 3 plus 5 in the console, and as you can see, R prints the result 8. Next we will type 3 minus 5 to get minus 2. Then we will type 2 into 3 to get 6. Next we will type 6 divided by 2 to get 3. Then we will type 9 followed by 2% signs and a 2 to get 1. Next we will type 9 followed by 2% signs and a forward slash enclosed between them and a 2 to get 4. We will now perform a slightly complex mathematical operation. So I want to multiply 2 with 3 and add 10 to it. As you can see, I get 16. Let's try one more. 4 divided by 2 and multiplied by 3. I get 6. We will now take things up a notch and learn how we can work with the results from complex operations that we just did. In R, we put the operations between round brackets with the arithmetic operator in between. As an example, we will add the results from the two operations we just did. Copy the first operation and enclose it between round brackets, followed by an addition sign, and then copy the second operation and enclose it between round brackets. As you can see, R printed the output 22. That's it for this video. Here's the take-home assignment to solidify the concepts we learned today. Please pause the video to note them. The answers will be shared at the end of the next video. Hope you found this video useful. Make sure you let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Good luck and happy learning.